option to change located in the profile. But now agents can instantly apply customized markups on every search to fit client requirements, saving time. The sales page is now packed with features that help agents refine options and provide a tailored selection for clients. Filters are now much more powerful that apply down to room options right on the search results page. Agents can apply filters to specific rate plan elements like meal options, cancellation policies, price range, and specific room names, which reflect in the search results along with rooms. This is huge empowerment to agents. For example, if an agent wants to find a Sea-View room on other platforms or on our previous version, an agent would first shortlist a hotel, then go to Rooms page, then filter a room with Sea-View, which they may or not find. But now, it takes just a second, and you can filter all the hotels with Sea-View rooms with the room price. Favorites are now available as a filter, compared to as a sorting option previously hidden. This feature makes each search more personal for agents. With every past search and experience, travel agents mark their favorite hotels, now have the option to filter them out up front, which makes decision-making far more convenient and quick. The next most impactful update is the new Quote and Compare feature. Agents can now select up to 5 hotels and compare them side by side. In one click, they can share comparisons for second opinions from peers or clients. Agents can also create a single quote instantly for selected hotels. They can apply custom markup to each quote or hide prices and cancellation policies. With the ability to add a custom message and download as a very presentable PDF with all the room and hotel details. Agents can access multiple languages throughout the platform, including downloadable quotes, extending its ability to serve clients in multiple languages. With a more defined and streamlined search after filtering, agents can now book rooms directly from the listing page, providing a faster booking experience. The Rooms page is now even better, redesigned to streamline room selection, provide valuable insights, and make quoting easier. Now, filters from the hotel listing page carry over to the Rooms page. In comparison to landing on Rooms page and reapplying and applying filters to find desired rooms. Agents can now focus on gathering hotel information more effectively with the enhanced image gallery, which offers high viewing of areas of interest. Additionally, agents can refer to guest reviews, which help build client trust and support informed decision-making. Agents now also have the ability to view room-level cost breakdown, anytime by clicking the information tooltip alongside room prices. Agents can now also create room-based quotes. They can select up to 5 different room options within a single hotel. Each quote can include custom to hide prices and cancellation policies. They can add custom messages and download quotes as PDFs with all details. Compared to a lot of additional effort where agents had to make quote for every individual room type separately. Our new map view enhances the client's understanding of the hotel's location, showing distances to nearby points of interest like malls, parks, and landmarks. From enhanced filters to direct booking, the Quote and Compare tool, and the new map view, our platform empowers agents to offer clients the best options quickly and efficiently.
Thank you.
So if you are already registered and you have your login, so you will notice the name of the agency owner here at the upper right. So for example, it's under Mucha Travel and Tours, so this is the name of the owner. And then, first thing that we're going to do is to set your markup. So this is the very
Winners, the consolation time for the two, and then we have one champion. Ayan na. Picturean mo. Ion, Ann, and Cecil. Congratulations! And we have, can I call in Ion first? Ion, wow.
Wow, galing naman nila.
TBO Plus. Bakit ito meron? TBO Plus. Nakalimutan nyo? Okay, next. Saan dito? Statement true for TBO? All of it are true. Next. What types of tour package available? Kaka-discuss lang natin. Dynamic! Okay, next. Which product would you choose from TBO if you wanted to rent a vehicle? Car rentals. Okay to. Okay, next. How are bookers enrolled in TBO? Automatic po. Yan, automatic yan. Next. TBO website? Naku. Baka maano tayo fishing. Dapat tboholidays.com. Okay? Okay, next for TBO Academy. Libre lang po ito. All your staff, we suggest them to explore. How much do you charge for flights? $1. Ay, salamat lahat. Okay, next. What are the flight prices available? Lahat po yan. All of the above. Payment supported by TBO, all of it po. Pwede po. We don't charge credit card, debit card, 0% merchant fee. Okay? AI-powered tool. Ito po yun. HNext, Hardy's next. Okay, next. What is the maximum number of rooms you can book? 6. 6 rooms. Okay, next. What is flights? 9. Ito, 9. Nag-review pa tayo, What is the total reward? $70. Nag-review pa tayo niyan. Okay, next. 1% cashback is true. Dragon Pay deposit. 200,000. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Which payment is the one cashback?
Okay, last question na yun.
Okay, ito na the last. So, yan na. So, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And I hope that we can support you. Salamat, Gid Kaayo, for coming here today. And I know that there's some visiting the ITTE. Charlie is also there. Please say hi to Charlie doon sa table na yon. Okay, and can we have a group photo? Maybe we will just take her in front. Okay, then we
Okay, diyan pala. Nasubak na pala.